Boom! Yo, what's up, guys? Byron Rodgers here. And quick little lesson I learned from none other than Mike Pannone of CTT Solutions has to do with something you should be doing on a daily basis if you're carrying a weapon. He talked about it at the Protector Symposium too. When you're getting ready to carry a weapon, a firearm in particular, every single day before you leave, take a second, go on ahead and clear your weapon. And in the clothes that you're wearing that day, do a couple run-throughs and draw your weapon multiple times. What does this do? This prepares you for actually having to employ your weapon over the course of the day. Do it a few times before you leave. You understand your clothing. You understand what it takes to defeat your clothing. You understand what it takes to actually get to that weapon. You understand the types of things, what it's gonna be like to grab that weapon on that day in that outfit that you're wearing. And that then better prepares you to be able to fight that good fight if you need to. Stay warm with your firearms manipulation, because under stress, you are going to degrade, they say, to your highest form of training. I say you're gonna degrade probably a little bit below your baseline. When I'm practicing, I'm not practicing for perfection, I'm practicing for permanence. I'm practicing to write programming and software in my mind and in my physiology that I can depend on those programmings running efficiently, or at least somewhat efficiently, under stress and duress. And by doing these couple of reps, 5-10 reps every single day before you leave the house, you're writing more programming every single time you do that. Your subconscious mind is recording everything you've done, everything you've experienced, all those different things, and it's embedding that into your physiology. So every single day before you leave, take a second in the clothes you're in, right? Clear your firearm. And get a couple draws in. Byron Rodgers, Executive Protection Lifestyle. I look forward to seeing you all on the podcast. Out. Boom.